How do we measure the blood pressure of the lower limbs or legs? It's exactly like measuring the blood pressure in the arms. We use a blood pressure monitor, which can be either digital or manual, like a mercury sphygmomanometer. To measure the blood pressure of the lower limbs, we can do this at 2 points. One is above the knee, in the lower third of the thigh, and the second is above the ankle. For this procedure, the patient must be completely relaxed. They should have rested for 5 minutes. They should not be stressed or anxious, and then we ask the patient to position their leg at a 45-degree angle. That is to bend their knee. In this way, the blood pressure cuff we use for measuring the lower limb is larger than the one used for the arms. Because the thigh is thicker, we place the blood pressure cuff exactly above the knee and in the lower third of the thigh. After we fasten the blood pressure cuff, the tubing should be positioned exactly at the popliteal fossa, and we place the stethoscope at the popliteal fossa as well. With our other hand, we check the distal pulses, such as the Dorsalis, Pedis, and Posterior Tibial, and then measure the blood pressure. The second area for measuring blood pressure in the legs is above the ankle, where we fasten the blood pressure cuff. These two tubes are placed exactly along the inner side of the leg, and we can place the stethoscope on the posterior tibial artery or use the pulse of the Dorsalis Pedis artery. Then, as usual when measuring blood pressure, we inflate the blood pressure cuff and proceed to take the measurement. Now, in what situations should leg blood pressure be measured? Whenever we suspect that the patient has a disorder in the leg arteries, such as peripheral arterial disease, atherosclerotic plaques, or coarctation of the aorta, and even aortic dissection, which can lead to reduced blood flow to the lower limbs and a drop in leg blood pressure. In such cases, it is essential that we measure the blood pressure of the lower limbs, especially in patients where we suspect coarctation of the aorta. That is, patients who present with treatment-resistant hypertension, where no matter what medication we use, the blood pressure remains uncontrolled, and by measuring the lower limb blood pressure, we realize that the leg pressure is lower than the arm pressure. Whereas normally, in a healthy individual, the blood pressure in the legs is higher than in the arms.